Open the trunk to gain access to the bulb assembly.
Remove the panel by prying it off. Remove the bolts by turning them counterclockwise.
The steps needed to access the other side are the same as this side.
So once we take the bolts out, we're going to kind of come to the inner part of the lining here to access the connector. There's two fasteners right here that we need to remove. These just pry out. Then you have this little guy. This is a hook for your net in the back. There's two little tabs on the sides. You just want to kind of push those in and pull that out, and then you can bring this liner back and reach down in here for the connector.
Push the tab and pull the connector to remove it.
We also need to get this grommet off of here, so just kind of pry that grommet off there.
Take the bulb housing out of the vehicle.
And once we get this back, we notice there's a little kind of rubber grommet right there. Now, we've already disconnected this on the other side. So basically what we're doing is we're just going to kind of pry this rubber grommet out, and then that whole thing should come with it. And then we go to put the new one back in. We got to feed this down into here. We're going to replace this rubber grommet. You just got to kind of fold it up a little bit and just kind of work it in there. It's very pliable, so it should be okay.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place.
Replace the cover. Reconnect the bulb housing. Push the connector straight in to connect the new bulb. Fold the trunk lining to its original position. Replace the fasteners by pushing them back in.
And then this section, we can just push that back in, and then just kind of make sure that the trim here is around the liner.
Replace the bolts by turning them clockwise.
Make sure the bulb housing is secure.
Align the panel with the body before securing it to the vehicle. It's important to make sure it's set properly, otherwise it won't attach correctly.